Hello team and welcome back to the channel. So yes, it took little bit of time to set up all these things you are seeing behind. Okay, so basically like I was quite busy with lots of things like the paid course that I was having, as well as the office work, and lots of things were there in background. Okay, so as of now, like I have settled properly, and I have like enough time to start working with the YouTube as well. Okay, so basically since from quite some time I have not uploaded videos, so I just plan to start a whole lot of series. Okay, so first series that we will be working with is to, like, I wanted to let everyone know, all the subscribers of my channel, that how to start writing pipelines. Okay, basically we'll be using Jenkins for writing CI and CD pipelines, and this series will be having like I'm not sure, like 10 or 15 days total, where every day what we will be doing is like taking a new full stack real world project, which will be having backend, front end, as well as some data sort in database. Okay, and what we will be doing is following the complete best practices, security aspects, security tools, and like performing code compilation, test, unit testing, then building the project, then performing OS dependency check, then performing tree analysis on our Docker image as well as the file system of the project. Okay, then we'll be pushing our artifacts to Nexus, then we will be creating Docker images. Okay, so before creating Docker images, obviously we are going to build the application or package the application, and finally we'll be deploying the application to different servers. Okay, for example, in certain application we'll be deploying the application to Tomcat server, in certain application we'll be deploying using Docker container or Docker compose. If the Docker compose we are going to use when the application is multi-container based application. Okay, there are, it's like very much possible that there are like very complex applications which are basically made up of multiple containers, Docker containers. So we need to basically create multiple containers and connect them, that we can do using Docker compose. Okay, so that also will be exploring. In addition to that, we will be deploying applications to Kubernetes as well. Okay, so in this series as I said, I'm not sure if it is going to be 15 days or 20 days or 30 days, I'm not sure. But one thing that I can assure you, or I can guarantee you at least, ki writing this many pipelines with different ways. Okay, as I say, we are going to deploy different kind of applications and different servers, so they are going to be really helpful. And if you're writing different pipelines every day, you will learn a lot. Okay, and in interviews, from my experience, I'm telling you ki in every single interview they are basically asking, first question is, do you know how to write pipeline? And if you have written pipeline, tell me what stages we are where in your pipeline. Okay, so you should be able to explain that. Okay, so that also I'll be going to explain you everything, okay, from scratch. So when we are like, also like when I'm writing pipelines, I'll be writing from scratch and in live session only. Okay, live session meanings like whatever video I upload, so I will write the pipeline there itself. I won't be like writing the whole pipeline, sharing with you, or like just explaining. No, I'll be writing the pipeline from scratch. I'll be explaining each stage and each step to you in detail, so that you understand everything very clearly. Okay, you just need to like support me a little bit, so that I also stay motivated, and I try to find lot of different kind of projects, which is like basically full stack. See, everywhere people, when they are showing you demo, they are either giving you like hello world kind of project, which is nowhere useful. That is the point where I want to make changes. I want to make sure that I have full stack project with which I want to show you how we can write complete CI/CD pipelines with everything included in it. When I say everything included, that means ki it will be having all the stages that you can mention in your interviews. Okay, or also like all the stages that we use on corporate level project. At this point, I have like a lot of experience in different projects. Like in previous company, also I was like a shared resource, so I was working on multiple projects. Okay, so these things I can give you, I can like literally guarantee you ki if you follow this whole series, there is like not a single issue which you will face while like going interview for like pipelines. Okay, so and also you will become literally an expert in writing pipelines, that I can guarantee you. But for that, you definitely need to follow this whole series that I'm going to start. Okay, consider today's as day 0, and the prerequisite for this is ki you can just watch one or two videos. One video is like the Jenkins, for setting up Jenkins, how to install Jenkins. I will just share you steps and all. You just need to set up Jenkins. Okay, and you need to have a AWS account for using VMs. Okay, because we are going to do everything on VM, so you just need to follow the steps, and then you will be able to write pipelines, that I can promise you. Okay, Also, as I say, ki make sure to support me because that I need a lot. We are still like not even 10,000 subscribers, but still I'm very happy that whatever comments I receive or whatever like messages I receive on LinkedIn or like Telegram channel, it's like always positive that Aditya, you are doing really good. And yeah, so also like I am already running a paid course, but this is the first batch that I have started and it's going really good. We are like doing deep dive for every topic, but next batch will be starting in later October. Okay, so for now, make sure to follow this whole video series of real-time CI/CD pipelines so that you are able to write pipelines from scratch and you are able to explain all the things in your interviews. So yeah, that's it. Also, like please do not worry about the mic because as of now I'm just using my iPhone earphones. But yeah, I have ordered a mic which will be, then it will be much better for recording videos. Okay. So yes, if you are having any concerns or any issues, you can just put it in the comment section. Also make sure to join the Telegram channel because whatever issues if you are having, you can just put it there and we will be happy to help you with that. Okay. Also, I post constantly on LinkedIn. So if you are interested in learning new things and like learning whatever is in trend, you can just follow me on LinkedIn. Okay. Yeah, so with that being said, thanks for watching and have a nice day. So this was day 0 of our real-time CI/CD pipelines. From tomorrow or the next video, we'll be starting with the full stack real world application and we'll be writing complete pipeline from scratch. So thanks for watching and have a nice day.